Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to change Amazon Seller Central email address, login settings, admin account. Let's get into it. Updating your email address and adjusting your login settings in Amazon Seller Central can seem daunting, especially with the main admin account. But don't worry, Amazon has made it safer and more straightforward. These changes, even for the main admin email address, are routine now, so it's easier to go through the process with confidence. One thing that can make this even smoother is to submit a support ticket to Amazon a day before making the actual change. This way, Amazon is notified about the change in advance, reducing the chances of any unexpected reversion. While this isn't required, it does add an extra layer of security, especially if Amazon's system flags the change as unusual. If that does happen, having this support ticket provides a reference point, which can help resolve the issue faster. When you're ready to update, log into your Seller Central account and go to the settings in the upper right corner where the little gear icon is. From the drop-down menu, select Login Settings, which will open the Login and Security page. In this section, you'll see an option to edit the email address. Click Edit next to the current email, and you'll be prompted to enter a two-step code. This code will be sent to the new email address you're changing to, so go ahead and retrieve it, enter it back in Amazon's prompt, and hit Continue. Once you've entered the code, the change will be effective, and you can confirm this by going back to the User Permissions section under Settings. The new email address will be displayed, showing that everything has been successfully updated. It's that easy. This process ensures you stay in control of your account while securely updating login details without disruptions. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.